Okay guys, PD Tech here with a little shout out video. I've not done one of those for a while. I'll try and do one quite regular every week or something, at least once a week, maybe twice, 2-3 times. So I go through my videos and I always read the comments. I try to reply to everybody's comment as much as I can. Apologies if I don't get around to you, but it does take a little bit of time, but I do try and get there. I answer any questions. If you've got any questions, just post them in the comments and I always reply. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick out a comment in a video and we'll go and have a look at that subscriber's channel or that commenter's channel, and we'll pick out a video and we'll just have a quick look at it. I'm not going to watch it all. I'll just have a quick look at it and give you a shout out, basically. That's what I'm going to do. So let's have a look at that one. Let's go in the comments. Let's pick Johnny mac26. He comments a lot on all my videos. He's a really good subscriber. If you've not visited his channel, go and check him out. He flies all sorts of drones. He's got a few mini drones. So he lives up in Scotland, so let's view his channel. He puts out quite a lot of content, really good stuff. Let's have a look at this one. We've already watched that one. Let's have a look. Start from the beginning. Flemington Village. I like that intro, the sweeping over the fields. I like this how can you see how he's following the hedgerow, and he's got these lines always look really good. You get a lot of lines in fields and things, plough lines and stuff, that looks really good. Got really good dramatic sky there. We've got a little bit of urban stuff in the background there. We've got these little straw bales, and we've got a bit of a reveal shot as we climb up, which is nice. I like the green and the brown colour, and that's good. And then we've got some features ahead, so it's just like a reveal shot. That's really cool. I like that. I like this, the sound as well. It's not really a melody, it's not really a song, it's like just a sound. It's like really cool. Just sets a mood. I like that really smooth pan. That takes some doing that. I'm always a bit herky-jerky on my pans. I need to work on that. I don't know if he's in cinema mode here, but that's really smooth. It takes a lot of doing on the sticks to get it really smooth like that and no jerking. So that's really good. So it's like a bit of a pan here. We've got like a reveal where we are, and a bit of a zoom in. So this looks like the Mini 2 possibly. This little village there. So I believe this is near Hamilton, I think. I visited that area around south of Glasgow, East Kilbride. I had relatives up in East Kilbride. I used to visit my ex-girlfriend's family who lived in Rutherglen, which is like South Glasgow. And I used to go on holiday up there, just past Glasgow, up towards Loch Lomond, around that area, round Arica, it's like a sea loch, a little fishing village. It's a beautiful part of the country. But you don't realise how vast Scotland is. It just goes on and on and on beyond Glasgow and Edinburgh. It just goes on and on. I like that. That's good. Just rising up above the treetops. So I guess he's walking down that path and he's just having like another reveal type shot. Got some nice colours there in the trees. That's really cool. So a shout out for Johnny mac26. Check his channel out. Leave a comment, subscribe to his channel, tell him PD sent you, and I just want to say I appreciate everybody checking out my channel, commenting, liking, subscribing, all the rest of it. It's Hamilton, yeah. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Anyone else wants to leave a comment on my channel, I'll gladly take a look at your channel, and anyone who supports me, you know, I'll click all those buttons, no problem. Take care, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little look at Johnny mac26 cool video. That is smart. I like the lines again. That is excellent. I like how the half and half, you know, you got different. The tapestry of the countryside is like a patchwork quilt. It's amazing. I just never tire of these sort of aerial views. I just love looking at the countryside from like a bird's perspective, and it's just a great way to explore. And it's still quite lush up there and green. I was quite surprised. Everywhere around here is like the Sahara Desert at the minute, but it's quite green up there. Okay, guys, take care. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye for now.